We're going to continue where we left off in science with page 30. We're going to read the article in the green box here and over here together. And we're going to work on this page right here. Science number 18. So I'm going to just hit the highlights in this article, and you're going to read it in detail and answer the questions on the page. So there are 5 things mentioned in the article that you're going to read and write one piece of information you learned about that in each of those spots. So this is an article about the climate after the flood. So immediately after the flood, it was very warm. The water was, the air was cooler, and after a while then the snow and the ice began to build up and we had the ice age. But before that, there were a few things that also happened. So there are things mentioned in this article about ice age things and things before the ice age, like the woolly mammoths being found frozen. Woolly mammoths are a prehistoric type of an elephant sort of animal we don't have anymore. They've gone extinct. But they were found way far north. Elephants don't live in the cold. Elephants live in Africa and India where it's warm. Well, these are also elephant-like animals that eat grass and plants. What were they doing in the ice and snow? You are going to find out by reading this article. So I'm not going to read it to you. You can read. But the very last paragraph I want to go over with you, it says, we cannot scientifically prove that these were the climate conditions or situations rather after the flood, but the clues point to a change in climate resulting in an ice age. The climate changed after the ice age, eventually resulting in the climates we have today. So no one was there with a video camera filming it. We don't have anything written that talks about it, but we can look for scientific clues. I looked up on the internet about this rivers in the Sahara Desert that are mentioned in the article, and there were some scientists who found under the water off the coast of Africa in the ocean places that looked like a river had been coming into the ocean, because wherever a river comes into the ocean, it digs out the dirt underneath the water, the dirt at the bottom of the ocean, and leaves a valley underwater because of the force of the river water coming down and out into the ocean. And they found some of those off the coast of Africa by the Sahara Desert. And they're thinking, what is this? Then they began looking around on land, and under the sand, they found evidence of old river basins, places where rivers had been flowing. Your book earlier said that they had also found cave paintings showing people and villages in the Sahara Desert. Nobody lives in the Sahara Desert anymore, but right after the flood, it could possibly have been rainy enough to allow that to happen. So you're going to discover some interesting clues that if you look at things from a biblical standpoint and you think, this could have come right after the flood, then you see all sorts of proof of a worldwide flood and an ice age coming after it that was caused by climate changes due to the flood. Enjoy yourself and work on this paper. Bye.